I am so excited for my first Chanel purchase. Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope everyone's doing great. So as you can see by the title, this is my first Chanel purchase and I am super excited. It's actually two unboxings that I'm going to do, but they are my first Chanel purchase. And I bought them both at the same time in the same store. I went to my local Neiman Marcus, which isn't so local, it's like an hour and a half away. But anyway, I went to Neiman Marcus and the Chanel boutique actually didn't have much to choose from. I actually wanted to get a wallet on chain, but they of course didn't have any. So I went to the shoe section and they were a pair of shoes that I was eyeing, the ones that I really wanted to get, which was the Espadrilles, which you probably already know from the title that that's what I bought. Actually, I don't know if I'm going to add that to the title or not, but anyway, I wanted those espadrilles so bad, but I had no idea how to get them besides being pre-loved. I've never bought anything from a Chanel boutique before, so I actually called the Chanel 1-800 number and they told me that I had to had a client base, like an established client base before I can actually buy something online or over the phone. And the only boutique is like in Virginia and I do not live in Virginia, so that's the nearest one to me. So I wasn't about to do that. So Neiman Marcus has shoes and has a Chanel boutique in it, so that's what I was planning on doing. So when I got to the shoe section, I saw the shoes that I wanted, the espadrilles. I tried them on and I'm so happy I went to the store and tried them on because I would not have known otherwise. And besides, you can't buy Chanel shoes on Neiman Marcus online. You have to go in the store. So, enough rambling. I'm going to get to the first one, and they actually had to order these because they didn't have my size. I tried on a 36, it was too small, so they had to order the 37 for me. And I'll get to this other box in just a second, this is probably my favorite one. So starting off with this first box here, I have my little box cutter here. Okay, so yay! See how pretty. Alright, so I'm going to move this out of the way. Alright, so as I was saying, they had to order these for me because the 36 was too tight, and I heard that the lambskin, which is what I got. Let me show you what I got first. I'm just so excited. I have too many things to talk about, but they come with this little booklet and of course two little dust bags, and you can see here what I got. Oh, of course my neighbor just happens to be weed eating at the time of this video, so I'm sorry if you hear that. That's what that is. So hey, look how pretty. So of course I got the beige and the black in the lambskin. I feel like this is like the most classic color they have. I did hear that the lambskin stretches like a good amount, so to make sure that you get them kind of snug. And the 36 was just, I mean, I got it in, but they were just way too tight. They were hurting the top of my foot way too much. So I decided not to do 36, and they don't come in half sizes, so I went for a 37. And if you're wondering, my US size is a 6.5, true 6.5. And I went with a 37, so you can see there. And this shoe is just so beautiful. I really got these for spring. and summer, of course, but they are just so cute, and I'm so excited. I really did want my first Chanel purchase to be a bag, but like I said, they really didn't have much inventory in my Neiman Marcus, so I went for these. I did want these anyway, but I really want a wallet on chain. So I wanted to talk to you guys about something that I probably haven't ever mentioned before, but there will be a few more unboxings from me. Reason being, I'm actually trying to collect maybe like luxury essential pieces so that I don't have to shop as often later in the future. I want to get staple pieces that I will have in my collection forever. I am not, it might look like I am all about buying and unboxing and stuff like that, but actually I'm not. And I wanted to update you on that Givenchy unboxing I did the other day. It was the sandals and that white bag. That white bag I actually returned because I felt like it wasn't a staple item that will be in style for years to come as what I want to do with my channel or what I want to do with my wardrobe. So I returned that bag, and I'm just wanting more classic pieces. So if you see a lot of unboxings from me, that is why I am trying to build a really nice collection that I will have for a while. So not many as trendy pieces, although this might seem trendy, but it's not. It's very classic and a staple to have. So I'm really excited about these. And let's move on with the other box. So move this out of the way. And if you are wondering, these shoes from Neiman Marcus, of course, were $725 plus tax. They were $773.94. So happy with these. I'm really excited. They're super soft. So I'm gonna move this out of the way, and let's get on with the second box. So same thing in this instance. In this case, actually, they had a size 37.5 in this particular item that I'm about to unbox. They had a 37.5, and I already knew that I was a 37 from the Espadrilles. So the 37.5, somebody had already paid for them. The only other one they had in the store was a size 10. Of course, there's no way I could get that, but I tried the 37.5 that the other girl had already purchased that she was coming to pick up, and I decided to go for a 37. I remember being in the store and rushing the sales lady. She was like, do you want to see something else? Do you want to see something else? After I had already purchased, made my mind up about purchasing the Espadrilles, I was like, no, let's just go place the order, please. I'm scared somebody is going to take my size in this item. So she was like laughing kind of, and we went and we purchased my Espadrilles, and then we purchased this, and I'm going to unbox while I talk. When she was adding these to the cart, it was super easy to add the Espadrilles. She's like, okay, yeah, 37, we have that. But this item, oh my gosh, said that it was not located at the Neiman Marcus's. So I was a little bit scared. I was like, oh my gosh, you're not going to be able to get my size, and I really want these. So I waited a few days, and she was so sweet. She kept updating me on the status of it, although I did get an email. I got an email saying that my Espadrilles were on the way, and they had shipped, and blah, 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 but I never got an email for this. So a few days later, about 3 days later, she finally texted me with good news, because she had been updating me every day saying, Stephanie, they can't find your boots, they can't find your boots. But finally she did. She's like, yeah, they found them, and they are going to be shipped soon. So I was so excited. They actually shipped, and speaking about trendy pieces, I know this looks like a trendy piece, but it is something I'm going to have in my wardrobe for a long time. So I can't say the name. Let's see. because it's a little complicated, but this is the box. And as you can see, it's a big box, and you already know I didn't get a bag, so they are shoes. Put this away. So they are boots, and this is what the box looks like. In case you were wondering, I know they have a name. I just absolutely cannot pronounce it. I'm gonna try. Hold on. Okay, so these are called the Chanel METIERS d'Art Pre-Fall 2020. So I'm sorry, I don't speak French, but that's what the collection that they are from. The pre-fall 2020 collection. So I'm super excited. So let's unbox these together. Of course, 2 dust bags like it should be. My Neiman Marcus receipt. Okay. Oh my goodness. Little booklet. And here they are. Oh my gosh, they are gorgeous. They are so beautiful. Oh, there goes my neighbor again. I am so sorry. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. The detail on these is just striking. It is so beautiful. Even the little circles where the laces are have the gold detailing, like kind of like a chain detail. If I had a wallet on chain, of course I would get gold hardware and it would match this perfectly. But I got these in a 37 like I said. I just want to show you these. They are so pretty. And you would think that this has a buckle, but it doesn't. It just goes like that and just holds your ankle like that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is what the bottom looks like. These boots retail $1,525 before tax. Trying to see what they are after my sales tax, but I don't know, about $1,700 maybe. But these are beautiful, and like I was saying about having staple pieces, these are a pair of boots that I'm going to have for many falls and many winters to come. This leather is so beautiful. It's like maybe kind of like the reissue leather where it looks a little bit wrinkly. You see that? The texture in it is just so pretty. And I don't know if you saw this or not, but it does have the CC on the toe cap right there. It is just so pretty. I'm so happy that they actually found these in my size. I was a little bit worried that I wouldn't be able to get them, and she was trying to convince me because they did have a 37.5. She was like, I don't know if they're gonna get you a 37. Do you just want me to place an order for 37.5? I know I have those. And I said no, because I did try those on in the store and they were big. These are perfect. I am sure they fit perfectly. They look like they'll fit me fine. So these are my new boots. I'm gonna show you the other one. Oh, they're so pretty. So here's the other one. So cute. And the soles have Chanel here and the CC's up here. And I am just so happy. Guys, that concludes my double Chanel unboxing, my first Chanel purchases, which I am super excited about. I really wanted to get these items. I saw Cassie on box these boots, and as soon as I saw them, I told my husband, I said, I want those boots. And it just so happens that I walk into Neiman Marcus and they had the size 10 in display, because it was really the only pair they had available to sell, because 7.5 had already been sold to someone else. And as soon as I saw them, I ran to them and I was like, excuse me, like I'm trying to get somebody to help me here desperately, because I really wanted those boots. So I'm so happy that I got them, and like I was saying, these are going to be in my collection, in my wardrobe for such a long time. I know I'm going to get so much use out of these because they are good quality items. They will last me a very long time, and I'm just really excited that I got my hands on them. So I wanted to say thank you guys for, if you are still here by the end of this video. I know it's probably a long one because I am in a chatty mood, and it's just because I'm so excited. I'm so excited for my little Chanel purchases, and I appreciate you guys that are still here watching, and I appreciate all my new subscribers. I appreciate you subscribing and joining my little family. I feel like I'm getting a lot of new friends, and it does feel very heartwarming when I get a nice message from you guys, so I want to thank you for that. I do try and respond to everybody. I just feel so excited and thankful that I have this new little platform to share my love for these luxury items, and that I have other friends out there that share the love with me and are subscribed to my channel. So thank you so much for that. I appreciate you all very much. And that is pretty much it for this video. I will leave 2 more videos linked somewhere on the screen so that you guys can keep watching if you wish to do so. But as always, I always say let's remember to be kind to one another. And I love you all. Thank you.